हाँ
ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया। Okay, got it up to this.
यस सर।
यस
ओके, सो अभी किसी को कुछ डाउट नहीं ना, तो हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, नाउ इफ, अब कंडीशन डालना पड़ेगा कि ऑब्स्टेकल आएगा तभी एलईडी ग्लो करना है ना हमें, तो कंडीशनल यूज करना पड़ेगा ऑब्वियसली। इफ, ओके, सो इफ PIR sensor equal to high, if PIR sensor equal to high, ओके, अगर PIR सेंसर का वैल्यू हाई है, ठीक है, तो डिजिटल राइट। ठीक है, अब क्या है कि PIR सेंसर का जो वैल्यू है वो अगर हाई होता है तो उस टाइम पे हमें एलईडी को ग्लो करना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जो आउटपुट पिन नंबर 13 है उससे हमें वहाँ पे करंट भेजना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, राइट, वहाँ पे हमें, यस, तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या लिखना है, 13 पे भेजना है ना, अगर हाई है तो 13 पे भेजना है, तो 13 का वैल्यू हाई। ठीक है, 13 का वैल्यू अगर आप हाई रखते हो, इट मीन्स वो एलईडी ग्लो होगा। ठीक है, और ये कब ग्लो होगा, जब PIR सेंसर इक्वल टू हाई। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, अब डिले का बाद में बता दो पहले, डिजिटल
सर स्क्रीन नाही दिसत.
सगळ्यांनाच नाही दिसत आहे का, स्क्रीन तर शेअर केलेली आहे मी,
दिसत नाही सर.
बाकीच्यांना पण नाही दिसत आहे का?
दिख रहा है
दिख रहे
हा
से दिख
दिसते
रहा
आता, दिसते.
ठीक है, ओके, सो
है सर।
close it. Okay, if close and this one close. Okay, now done. Okay, ये सिंपल प्रोग्राम है, इसको ध्यान में रखना है आपको। और अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसको रन करेंगे। सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द सिमुलेशन। ओके, सो स्टार्ट द सिमुलेशन। ओके, तो यहाँ पे कुछ एरर आया है। ठीक है, तो एरर को हम लोग वहाँ पे रिमूव करेंगे, राइट। तो यहाँ पे सेमी कॉलन नहीं है। ठीक है, तो वी विल गिव दी सेमी कॉलन। ठीक है, पाइथन का थोड़ा मुझे प्रैक्टिस हुआ है, इसलिए मैं अब सेमी कॉलन बहुत बार भूल जाता हूँ। ठीक है, तो पाइथन में सेमी कॉलन नहीं होते। सो वी विल अगेन स्टार्ट द सिमुलेशन। ओके, नाउ द सिमुलेशन इज स्टार्टेड। नाउ यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन PIR सेंसर। ठीक है, ओके, तो हाँ, ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था कि इनिशियली ठीक है, पहले हम लोग स्टॉप सिमुलेशन करेंगे फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे। हाँ, अब इनिशियल स्टेज पे आपका जो एनी ऑब्स्टेकल है, ये क्या है, ऑब्स्टेकल है, कुछ भी ऑब्स्टेकल है, ठीक है। तो ये आपको ये दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये पार्ट दिख रहा है आपको, दिस पार्ट।
यस सर।
तो ये है जो इंफ्रारेड का रेंज है, दिस इज द रेंज ऑफ इंफ्रारेड, ठीक है। तो जब भी आप ऑब्स्टेकल इसमें लेके जाते हो तब एलईडी ग्लो होता है, देखिए हो रहा है।
यस यस।
यस, लेकिन आप अब जब इसको बाहर लेके आते हो तभी वो ऑन मोड में ही है, ठीक है। तो हमें क्या चाहिए कि वो बाद में लो होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर आप इसको निकाल लेते हो तब आपको वो लो होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सो आप क्या करो यहाँ पे, इफ में पहले स्टॉप सिमुलेशन करिए, ठीक है, फिर कोड राइट कर सको, ठीक है। यहाँ पे कुछ डिले लगवा दो 1000 मिली सेकेंड्स का, 1000 सेकंड नहीं, 1000 मिली सेकेंड्स, ओके। देन उसके बाद वो ऑफ हो जाना चाहिए, डिजिटल राइट 30, गाइस प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ, ओके, राइट।
सर ये सब प्रीडिफाइंड फंक्शन है का सर, डिले ये डिजिटल राइट।
जस्ट वेट, अभी पूछो, कौन पूछ रहा था। Someone was asking the question. Shubham, you were asking the question. Okay, someone was asking the question. Who was asking question?
हेलो सर, शुभम माने।
Yes, yes. Speak.
सर ये जो फंक्शन है आपने डिले, चुप गए शांत बस 2 मिनट। ये जो फंक्शन है डिले डिजिटल राइट, ये सब प्रीडिफाइन है क्या सर?
Yes, yes. These are the inbuilt functions. Just we have to provide the values to it. Okay. This is
सर
not
ये कोड सी
predefined.
प्लस,
Yes,
सर सी प्लस प्लस में ये सब ये फंक्शन।
yes. This is C++ code. But why you are not writing it as whole C++? Because this is uh, compatible with Arduino. Okay. So other things that Arduino consider itself, okay. So you have to mention only the required part, getting it, that other main function, then hash include conio.h, okay, then iostream.h, that you don't require, okay. You have to just require here void setup, void loop, like these things, other things that Arduino adjust itself, okay. So minimum programming you require. Now got it?
यस सर।
Okay, right. And again you have to provide here some delay, that is 1000 milliseconds, okay. Now start the simulation, okay, semicolon, okay. Now go here, now it is blinking, now you can see the LED is blinking, and when I come outside it will stop. Again if I go inside the range, LED will glow, and if anyone is moving there then LED blinks, getting it. If you come outside it will stop working, okay. Whenever it will get input from this pin number 2, then the digital write function will work, and the voltage of this 13 pin number will get high, as per your code. And if voltage is high, then LED is blink. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So write this code. If you complete writing, then tell me. Take the screenshot also, and that screenshot. Okay, wait. This take a screenshot at a time. LED is on. Okay. Everyone took a screenshot.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Who is the application? There are you running the program, sir? Can I know?
Not getting your question. Can you simplify your question?
Sir, in which application are you running the program, sir?
You haven't joined from the start. At the start, I have
No,
told
sir.
why you don't start, did not start, join from the start. Hmm?
Actually, sir, I am out of the Maharashtra, so I can't join the lecture. So this
Okay.
is the first lecture.
Here you can see this link.
Sorry, sir.
This link you can see here. Okay, so
Yeah.
I will send it now in chat box. So you have to save
Okay,
this
sir.
link. Okay.
Sir, are you running the online this program?
Yes.
Sir, this program are you running online?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Everyone got the link.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Everyone has a screenshot in which LED is on. Okay. That you
Yes.
have to attach in your file. Okay. The first page of means after write up, the printout page contains this one. Okay. This program. And the next page you have to attach is this one. Okay, that screenshot you have taken just now. Okay, and make a PDF of that screenshot and then take a print. Right, if you take a print of photo, then that print will not be as per our requirement. So you have to convert to the PDF and then take a print. Got it? Okay, so you can also connect the buzzer to it, right? So click on code, it will minimize. If you require the buzzer, then type the buzzer, that is piezo, that buzzer device you will get. Okay, connect this one to the ground. And this one to the 12. Okay, and make some changes in the code. pin mode 12 आउटपुट. ओके, आउटपुट अभी आउटपुट ही है ना, इनपुट इसमें यही यूज करने वाले हो आप. ठीक है, तो जस्ट add one more output, and here what change you can do. Yes, so wherever you written this 13 high, write the 12 high as well. Okay, write the 12 high as well. Okay, now start the simulation. Okay, so now I don't know you will listen the buzzer or not. You will try yourself. You can listen. If you able to listen, then it will fine.
सर सेकंड लास्ट लाइन में 12 लो आएगा या हाई?
Oh, this should be low. That is a wonderful observation. Who is speaking?
दिव्यांशु सिंह.
Oh, Divanshu, that is great. Great observation, right? It should be low. Okay. So start simulation. Are you guys getting some voice?
No.
No. Okay, so I will
No, sir.
remove the headphones. Just now, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
आपका बजर की नहीं आ रही.
Now getting some voice?
नो सर.
No.
नो सर.
Try to increase your volume.
फुल है सर, फिर भी नहीं आ रही.
Okay. So actually, I'm listening it. So if you try it yourself, then you will definitely listen the voice. Okay. So you can see there is symbol on piezo. Whenever I get that obstacle inside, you can see the symbol, right? Concentrate on that
Yes,
piezo
sir.
puzzle device. Okay.
सर यस सर.
Yes, right.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yes, yes. Okay. See that one on the puzzle. Okay. So if I think some due to some technical issue, you are not able to listen this. Okay, fine. I will stop the simulation now.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Could you show the program again, sir? Okay, sir. In this program, I wonder out, sir.
Where you are having doubt?
So why you take the 12 highs? You can take the anything number
Okay, see.
or not, sir.
Okay, see. Where is your output device
Yeah.
connected? That is
Oh,
at the 12 and LED is at the 13. Okay. So you have to provide the current flow. Okay.
okay.
To that pin number where your output devices are connected. Got it?
Okay, sir.
And you have to read. Then why 2 is here? Because where is your input device is connected? That is pin number 2. Okay. That's why you are doing digital read 2. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
When will it change the output number 11, 10? Then we can change here the
Yes,
number.
you should change. You should change this number. Okay.
Okay, sir. I understand.
So okay. So I will show you now. uh, I will connect this. Okay, just wait. Okay. Connect this one to 8. Okay, now buzzer I have connected to the pin number 8. Now start the simulation. Okay, now only LED is blinking. Now no any symbol you can see on the buzzer device. Got it? Observe the buzzer device. Is there anything you can see on the buzzer device?
No, sir.
Because
No,
the
sir.
buzzer device is on 8 and in program we are not mentioning anything for the pin number 8. So if you connect it, just select it and press the delete button. Okay, and if you connect it at the 13, then again start the simulation. Now you can see the symbol there. Okay, because current is flowing to the pin number 12 and 13 as per your program. And another thing is that I will stop the simulation. Okay, another thing is that this buzzer output pin you can connect to 13 as well. Okay, means you can connect multiple pins at 13. Okay, so in that case you don't have to add these things that I have added for the buzzer. Okay, so whenever 13 is high, then LED will glow as well as buzzer uh, will also the you can get some voice from the buzzer as well. So as we have connected to another, that's why we are writing the another statements for the 12. Okay, so that code we were used for LED only. That code was sufficient uh, to call the buzzer also. Okay, when you connect this buzzer pin to the same pin where LED is connected. Got it? यहाँ पे अगर आप बजर की जो 12 पे पिन लगाई है वो 13 पे अगर लगाते हो सेम एलईडी केस पे, तो पहले वाला जो कोड था जो बजर लगाने के बाद चेंज किया, वो चेंज करने की भी जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि एलईडी के लिए 13 में करंट जा रहा है तो वही करंट बजर के लिए भी जाएगा. ओके, एज सिंपल एज इट. ओके,
Yes, sir.
okay, so now you can leave. Okay, attendance is also marked, and if any
Okay,
doubt
sir.
you can ask in the next session, right? So next session is also important. I will explain about the Raspberry Pi practical. This is Arduino, right? So in next we will see about the Raspberry Pi. So till then, it's goodbye all of you.